we doing, Bryce?
We're going camping.
Remember, that's how it goes.
Pretzel time.
Here's what I do, Chase. I'll show you. We're out of control! We're out of control! Look! We are camping at Paradise Campground. And it is May 2019. Bryce, how old are you, Bryce?
3.
How old are you, Chase? 3 and 4. Okay, this is the first camping trip of the whole year with Grandma and Papa.
Where should we go? We don't have any more ways. You can go that way. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Okay, let's go back.
Kevin eats everything and he likes to go on trips, but we don't let him outside.
Does he like camping?
Yeah, but he runs away when I don't get a hold of him. Kevin's very weird, and he eats poop.
He eats poop.
And he barks at dogs.
Yeah, he does.
What's this?
Wow. Look at those big bubbles. Whoa.
Got it.
Buddy. What's your favorite part so far?
Yeah, for me.
My favorite part
Don't
is
you have an opener?
I do, but I'm mumble egg.
What's that?
Whoa.
Look how tall one it is.
Look at that tree.
Can we cross it?
I think so. Found a great big log. So now I'm checking to see if it's safe. Found it! Keep going, Chase. Keep walking. And what do you do while you're camping?
We eat marshmallows and chocolate BBs. And chocolate graham crackers and chocolate hoops. Chocolate hoops.
No, not chocolate poops.
And chocolate peas.
Country road,
Play, Bryce.
all my memories gather round her. Mine is lady, stranger to the water. Yesterday, country road.
Alright.
Could probably be.
I bet it would be good.
And then we can
Chocolate apples are good.
apple.
Let's try one first. There we go. It's gonna be good, good.
It don't matter where I go. What's it like camping with two boys? Well, I'll tell you. It's an enjoyable experience beyond explanation.
Camera.
I won't burn my camera. I won't drop it like last time.
Yeah, don't drop it like that time.
Chase, how do you cook a steak?
You put it on the fire and cook it for 41 minutes and then you take it off. You grill it and then grill it and put some wet on it. Hey Mom, can you just help me?
Bryce, can you eat those potatoes?
No.
Do it, do it, do it. Go, 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 go. Oh, no.
He's getting it. What a champion.
Good job.
That was a good metaphor for most things. Almost done.
Yeah, he's at halftime now.
Bryce, 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 Bryce. Come on, 80.
Eat those taters, kiddo.
There you go. Baked apple. Wanna try it?
It's good. We're going to eat marshmallows and sleep.
Marshmallows and sleep?
Can I have my owl? Can I have my owl?
There you go. Yeah.
Chocolate Daddy.
I don't know what Chase, look what I got. Look what I got. That's all chocolate.
Did you sleep
Couldn't
well?
go under there.
Yep. Glad I gave it to you.
I gave it to you.
Did you have good dreams? What'd you dream about?
I dream about dinosaurs.